how to check someone's online status on WhatsApp, if hidden. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more honest and accurate WhatsApp guides. Many people ask how to check someone's online status on WhatsApp when it's hidden. So let me be very clear from the beginning. If someone has hidden their last seen and online status, there is no official or guaranteed way to see it. Any app or video claiming otherwise misleading. Now, let me explain what is possible and what is not. What you cannot do. You cannot see their online status if they set it to nobody or my contacts except you. You cannot bypass WhatsApp privacy using apps, websites, or mods. Third-party apps claiming this can steal your data or ban your account. What you can still notice. Limited clues. These are indirect signs, not confirmations. 1. Typing indicator. If you're chatting and suddenly see typing, that means they are online at that moment. 2. Message read receipts, blue ticks. If read receipts are enabled and they read your message, it shows recent activity, but not exact online status. 3. Voice call ringing. If your call rings instead of instantly failing, the person may have internet access. Again, not guaranteed online proof. Important privacy update. In newer WhatsApp updates, online status and last seen are fully protected. Only the user decides who can see it. So if someone hides it from you, there is no safe or legal way to view it. Final truth. If WhatsApp allowed a bypass, it would be a major privacy violation. And it doesn't. The only way to see someone's online status is if they allow it in their privacy settings, or they interact with you directly, typing, replying. If this cleared your confusion, like the video, subscribe and comment clear below, and remember, respect privacy. WhatsApp is designed that way.